Alright, so we're making a shirt for Father's Day for a customer. This shirt has multiple steps to it. It has 4 different colors, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and check it out. Okay, so I forgot that in my stencil video I said I needed a new needle, and I cut this one out and totally ruined it, so I had to go buy a new needle, but this one came out perfect, so we're gonna continue on. Let's go. This is why you keep scraps. I got just a little bit of blue to do on the stars, and I have plenty of scraps, don't have to waste a whole new piece, so let's keep going. Alright, so we got them all cut out. They're ready to go. We got them right here on the heat press. Yes, it's on a chair. See, I used to do this at home, but before I got my job, now I'm on the road 3/4 of the year living out of hotels, and I only do this for friends and family now. I used to sell them to anybody and everybody, advertise on Facebook and all that other stuff. Now I just do it for friends and family. Because I'm out of a hotel, it makes it a lot harder. I don't got a set place for everything, but we're gonna go ahead and hit that heat press, and I'll show you the end product, so make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, so the shirt's all done and heat pressed, and I'll go ahead and show you a picture of that right here. I also did 2 other shirts that they wanted, and I'll show you pictures as well. So yeah, that's a quick video of some shirts I was doing for Father's Day for a customer, a friend of the family, or a family member. You know, that's all I really do it for. But if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos, and hit that notification bell, and we'll be back next time. Peace.